Hello and welcome to the introductory course for UD Telematics brought to you by Group Trucks Asia and JVs. My name is Eugene Fu and I am the Connected Services Manager for UD Telematics. Today we will be going through an overview of UD Telematics, our unique selling points or USP for short, as well as a description of each of the features that we have. So what is telematics? Telematics is actually a translation of the French word télématique, which was coined all the way back in 1978. It referred to the transfer of information over telecommunications. So with that in mind, what is UD Telematics? Our UD Telematics is the transfer of information from vehicle to server over the telecommunications network via the use of a telematics gateway, or TGW for short. The TGW is usually factory fitted in a truck and will send data to our backend servers via a data SIM card. Customers will then be able to log into a portal to view the status of their vehicle. They will also be able to generate historical reports using the same portal. This slide provides an overview of the communication process for UD Telematics. It starts off with the TGW in the vehicle on the left-hand side of the diagram, which communicates to the server via GSM and GPRS, with the data being available in the fleet or dealer portal, easily accessible from any web browser. Why do our customers need telematics? Well, as you can see in this slide, there are many reasons, much more than I can list. However, the key word here is visibility. Without visibility, you will have no idea how your trucks or drivers are performing or even where they are at any given time. Having telematics gives customers access to real-time data within a few clicks of the mouse. That said, some of the benefits of telematics are real-time alerts, tracing previous routes run by vehicles, fuel efficiency ratios, utilization reports, driving behavior reports for coaching, minimizing operating expenses and improving safety, ultimately leading to lower insurance premiums. With UD Telematics, USPs will help differentiate ourselves from third-party telematics. CAN bus information from our UD trucks are readily available and well integrated with the telematics gateway, which is assembled at the factory, so there is no need for complicated installations or downtime of trucks. On the dealer side, there are also numerous benefits that third-party telematics companies do not usually offer, such as preventative maintenance, vehicle health monitoring, remote customer assistance, and fuel advice. In addition, our UD brand under the Volvo Group is a trusted brand which is synonymous with providing our customers with quality products of the highest level. In the next few slides, we will be going through some of the features and additional platforms of UD Telematics. I would like to start off with the features that are useful to our customers, such as real-time tracking, trace, geofencing, fuel utilization and alerts, historical reports, and driving behavior. Also, in addition to our UD Telematics web portal, we have an additional mobile app platform that customers can use to monitor their fleet while on the move. For real-time tracking, customers are able to see their vehicle locations in real time. There are several different vehicle icons to show the various statuses of each vehicle. Clicking on each vehicle will show additional details such as the date and timestamp, location coordinates, odometer readings, fuel data, and more. The platform uses Google Maps, so you can be sure they are updated frequently. User accounts have various rights and permissions so that each customer can only view their own fleet and not others. In addition, settings can be adjusted to show different levels of permissions for various users depending on their security clearance. The trace feature allows users to check the historical records of a vehicle's whereabouts in a graphical interface. At each interval in the route, you can view detailed records such as the date and timestamp, speed, fuel level, odometer, and direction. The trace report shows data on all events generated by a vehicle based on the date and time selection by the user and may be useful for incident investigation. Details such as the date and time, speed, odometer reading, fuel level, and event name are displayed in a tabulated format, which can be exported into Microsoft Excel or PDF. Geofencing is the ability to draw virtual boundaries on maps, which allows the system to trigger certain events when these boundaries are crossed. In the geofencing interface, users can draw customized shapes and sizes around locations on the map, such as customer sites. Users can also specify fixed routes that vehicles have to adhere to during their trip. Customized messages can be set when a vehicle enters or exits a geofence or route, and alerts can be generated based on a preset speed limit on selected days of the week. Due to our ability to monitor live fuel data in a vehicle, the TGW will generate alerts if there are sudden drops in fuel, usually triggered by fuel theft. These alerts can be automatically emailed to a customer. Besides alerts, the UD Telematics portal contains a number of fuel reports that users can generate to view historical fuel data of their vehicles. These reports also allow the user to analyze the fuel consumption of their vehicles in various drive modes such as Drive, Sweet Spot, and Top Gear. Besides fuel reports, there are also other historical reports available. The Vehicle Usage Report shows each vehicle with odometer readings and engine hours for the selected period, while the Driving Journal shows data per trip. Once again, this is separated into various drive modes for easy analysis of data. The UD Telematics mobile application is available on both iOS and Android platforms in their respective App Store or Google Play Store. The mobile app provides users with several functions of the Telematics web portal, which allows them to easily monitor their trucks while on the move. Features in the mobile app include a live dashboard, track and trace functionality, performance dashboard, fuel level change, and geofencing alerts. The Telematics Gateway device, or TGW, is capable of monitoring driving behavior, which is essential for driver safety and efficiency. Harsh braking, harsh acceleration, overspeeding, seatbelt status, and excessive idling are some of the metrics that are measured by the TGW device. The user can then generate a report which summarizes all driving behavior metrics per driver. We now move on to telematics features that are useful for dealers, such as preventative maintenance planning, vehicle health monitoring, remote customer assistance, and fuel advice. Preventative maintenance is the foundation to securing customer uptime. The preventative maintenance service will ensure that the customer's service plan is updated with the actual usage of the truck, for example, when the mileage or engine hours deviate from the service plan. This is critical to avoid unexpected downtime. Having an updated service plan will ensure that each vehicle comes in at the right time for preventative maintenance. The purpose of a service plan is to maximize the service interval and thus the uptime of the truck. Therefore, spending as little time as possible in the workshop will mean spending as much time as possible on the road. For vehicle health monitoring, the remote workshop tool will alert dealers if a critical fault occurs, and this will also allow dealers to remotely check if there are other faults in the vehicle via fault codes. The tool also provides valuable information of the vehicle, such as the time of occurrence of the fault code, chassis number, and vehicle location. Sometimes, unexpected breakdowns occur. This is where the remote customer assistance service comes into play. When a customer has a problem with their vehicle and contacts the call center or dealer for assistance, the breakdown coordinator can quickly locate the vehicle on a map and select the closest dealer to support the customer. The dealer is then able to see the same information as the call center and can also check if there are any important diagnostic information in addition to the information given by the driver. In a breakdown situation, the customer or driver may not always know how to describe technical details of a truck. Telematics, however, can simplify the communication through the display of descriptive fault codes. By knowing the problem in advance, the technician can ensure the correct tools and parts are brought along when he leaves the workshop. In summary, the remote customer assistance service is a great way to shorten the lead time and support the customer when they need it most. With fuel reporting, customers can save fuel costs by monitoring and training their drivers with the aim of improving driving behavior and safety. With telematics activated in the truck, the dealer can have a real-time view on how the vehicles are being used. This allows the workshop to provide enhanced support to the customer by offering suitable training programs for the drivers. On top of that, the driver will also have access to the in-cab fuel coaching function, which gives direct feedback and advice on how to better improve fuel efficiency. Remember, with a competent driver, you can reduce fuel costs, accidents, as well as wear and tear of the vehicle. So this is it for the Telematics e-learning module. Thank you for your attention and hope to see you soon in the next one.